Hello, Yuki fam. Welcome to today's little preview of the website I'm making for you guys for tutorials and content. So I want to show you guys the website so far. Keep in mind that this is already up. You can go to yukiproductions.th-site.top, T-O-P, to check out the website now. Link will be always in the description below. So these are all for our tutorials. So as you can see here, we have a little slider that you can press the button to choose a tutorial here. You can also go through the different sections of the tutorials you want to watch. For example, we have the Moody game, which is here, and we also have the Unity VR Chat World Development tutorials, and upcoming soon is the RPG Maker MV series or MZ series, whatever is going to come up first. Then I have the emulation tutorials for those of you who want to play your video games on your computer, like Dolphin, Melon DS, all that. Keep in mind that everything is working yet because I'm still updating the site as of right now. So if you guys want to watch the tutorial, go to one of the pages, like Budebot here, and you're gonna see the tutorial blog. Now here is how the blog works. If you want to watch a certain tutorial, you're gonna see a table of contents here. Okay, press the button on the tutorial you want to watch. For example, how to play tutorial 1, and then tutorial 2 will be this one. Now it's the same one because I have not updated the page yet. I just needed to do this so that I can put the anchor link. These are called anchor link. You press the button to go to a certain spot. You press this button to go upstairs, to go back to the top. If you guys want to see more tutorials, they will be here as well. Note that if there is an update, there will be a number beside a badge right here, like number 2, saying, hey, there are 2 updates to this section. If you want to see what's on the website now, we have the website updates blog, just to show you guys what I've been doing on the site. Now, keep in mind, there is a video in here. This video is strictly for testing purposes. I just choose one just to test embeds. These are called embeds because I'm using an iframe in order to put this on the site. It's called iframe. All right, for those of you who are into coding, iframe. I just chose a random video just because I needed one to showcase the videos on a website. But everything else, all the other stuff will be based on the website only. And obviously, of course, because this works, then all the other tutorials work. Now, keep in mind that the videos are actually from the original regular YouTube channel. So if you watch a tutorial on this site, they will count as views on the YouTube channel. However, keep in mind that you cannot comment on the site. You have to go straight to my YouTube channel to do so if you're interested in. This is more like a archive of what I do. The latest one that I'm doing right now is the world development for VR chat. Then when we get into game development again, RPG Maker. If you want to learn more about playing games like Nintendo DS games here, we also have the emulation tutorials coming up. I just have to put them up on the site. All right. So that is your first look at the website. Now I will tell you, I am hinting at something here. I am making another site for those of you who are into indie games. Indie games. Now, if you are interested in supporting the site, again, either PayPal or buy me a coffee. I'm still thinking. But if we do get support for the site, I can make a domain name, like domain name. Domain name means yukiproductions.com and not yukiproductions.this th site.top. So if you want me to get a .com, I have to bio domain name. That's what you call it, domain name, right? So if you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, that's the first look at the website. There will be more updates today throughout the day. And yes, I am still editing other stuff that I want to do. Keep in mind, no stream today. We'll be back tomorrow for VR chat, Francis the Riolu, and we'll be back for you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the website. Link will be in the description below. Enjoy.